This is another DIY Sego gele tutorial. So if you love DIY, come closer, let's do this together. So you're going to divide your material into 50-50, and you're going to just place it from the back of your head the way you have seen on this video. Then you are coming to the front to cross the hand. Before you tighten up, arrange all the arrangeables before you go to the center and twist it just once. So once you twist once like this, make sure it is firm. Drop one hand and you pick the other hand, so you work with it. You're going to split everything down the way I'm doing on this video. Just split everything down like this, bit by bit. Just pick it up, pick it up, pick it up till the fabric is being exhausted. Then it is time to roll in. Look at the way I will roll it in, not up. I'm rolling in now. Can you see that? In, not rolling up. Yes, roll everything in and adjust it properly. Then you need office pin to secure. So I'll be picking my office pin now and secure it down. Okay, so you might need more than one office pin. I think I used two to secure it. You might need more than that. Just make sure that when you secure, make sure you feel the tightness on your head, that it is secured. So what you do to this part, you go to the other part and repeat the same process. Split everything down and roll in, roll in, roll in. Yes, that's just it. When you roll in till the fabric is exhausted, pick another office pin and secure till you feel it is well secured. So I'm tacking mine twice and I felt it on my head that it is well secured, so I stopped. And when you are securing, make sure the office pin is hidden. Try as much as you can. So here I'll come back and adjust properly. Okay, so it's gonna come out like this, or if you have a bigger material, it's gonna look more bold. Now let's go to the back. We have to cover it up since there is no hair to pull out. If you have hair to pull out, then you pull your hair out and there's no need to cover up this place, but I'm going to cover up because there is no hair to pull out. So here's the back. Then final look here, guys. Is this not simple DIY head wrap? So guys, if you have watched this length, I think you have gained 1 or 2 steps to achieve your DIY head wrap. So I'll be dropping more. Why don't you follow for more, share and leave your comment below. Like, bye.